Get an ultra-compact cutting solution for plywood, drywall, and more. With the 12-volt max CXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 3 3/8 inch circular saw kit, the slide-style Lithium-Ion battery, and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity. The efficient Makita-built motor is engineered for faster cutting. The 3 3/8 inch blade has a maximum cutting depth of 1 inch, with a tilting base for accurate bevel cuts. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. It's ideal for quicker cutting and for jobs that take you into tight spaces. For added convenience, the slide-style battery includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4 amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.
Ridgid introduces true corded performance in the new best-in-class 18-volt Gen 5X 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Built to higher tolerances and optimized for demanding contractor use. The Ridgid Gen 5X open frame permanent magnet motor supplies enough power to run a full-size blade and rip plywood a new one. The heat-treated aluminum base maximizes durability, while the 0 to 56-degree bevel detent system provides stops at common angles. The dust blower clears debris from the front of the blade, while LED lights help you see and maintain precision all the way through the end of the cut. Keep all this power in hand with Hex Grip Microtexture and keep it for life when you register for the Lifetime Service Agreement. Free batteries, free parts, free service for life. Ridgid. Powerful, durable, professional. Exclusively at the Home Depot.
Don't let the size fool you. The Pony 3700 LD light-duty bar clamp is a workhorse for its size and design. Used by do-it-yourselfers, hobbyists, woodworkers, metalworkers, and professional tradespeople of all types. The design allows the sliding head to hold securely at any point along the bar to guarantee no slipping. The sliding head is threaded to accommodate the easy grip handle, screw, and swivel pad. All adjustments are made with the movable sliding head, making this style fast and easy to open and close and perfect for use in confined spaces. Protective pads are made of thick, durable plastic to ensure your work is protected. The clamps rest parallel to your work surface for easy work placement and adjustment. The light-duty bar clamp has a 2-inch reach, 4, 6, 8, and 12-inch opening capacity, and a 300-pound test load limit. Pony also offered these clamps in medium and heavy-duty styles with opening capacities from 6 inches to 36 inches and test load limits from 600 pounds to 1,000 pounds.
This is the Bosch GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder. It locks onto fast, precise measurements and is ideal for use with a miter saw. Measure angles for roof joints, stairways, and sloped windows, or create perfect trim work in crown molding. The features let you focus on the job. The user interface is intuitive and the illuminated flip display is easy to read. The simple and compound miter function is great for making fast saw angle adjustments. The hold function lets you easily reuse and transfer saved measurements. And the mechanical lock makes transferring angles simple and quick. There's a generous measuring range of 0 to 220 degrees with measuring accuracy of 0.01 degrees. And to top it off, this Bosch angle finder is tough. Its housing meets IP54 protection standards. It comes with a carrying case and a leg extension for measuring hard-to-reach angles. Accurate angles are a thing of beauty. Get them with the Bosch GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder by checking out this page, and be sure to check out the full line of Bosch measuring tools.
Sometimes you need imagination to see the big picture. Introducing the new portable clamping workstation from Kenter Tools. A sturdy work surface, easy to work on anywhere, quick and easy to set up and adjust. A built-in clamping system. Portable clamping workstation from Kenter Tools. Use it. Enjoy it.
Wood handscrew clamps might seem old-fashioned, but they've got uses that no other clamp provides. To begin with, each clamp can provide even pressure along several inches. And this is true even when the jaws aren't parallel. The individually operated hand screws allow the jaws to work over a wide range of angles. And the wooden jaws resist slipping and are less likely to leave marks on your parts. Wood jaws also make it very easy to adapt and modify the clamps for whatever task you have at hand. Available with jaws from 6 to 12 inches long, Bessie's wood handscrew clamps also excel at holding parts during milling operations. Too small to safely hold by hand, can be held securely in the wooden jaws, providing complete control while keeping hands out of the work zone. With little risk of damage to expensive blades, bits, and tools should they accidentally come into contact with the clamp. Woodworkers understand why these clamps have been around for so long and appreciate their versatility using them all around the shop. Not only are they excellent at holding parts during glue-up and assembly, but can be readily adapted to many tasks that other clamps simply can't do.
Get brushless power and speed in an ultra-compact size. With the 12-volt max CXT Lithium-Ion brushless 3/8-inch driver drill kit. The slide-style lithium-ion battery and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity with a brushless motor for increased efficiency. The tool's mechanical 2-speed transmission is ideal for a range of applications. Makita's efficient brushless motor is engineered for longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. With up to 280 inch-pounds of max torque for drilling, driving, and fastening. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. For added convenience, the slide-style battery enables the tool to stand on its own and includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4 amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.
Meet the remarkable and affordable new Trac saw system. The revolutionary sawing guide with a universal adapter plate that accepts the circular saw you already own, and a 57-inch long extruded aluminum track rail that helps you guide that saw perfectly through cutting a 4x8 sheet of plywood in half with amazing precision and ease. Then it lets you add an optional 4-foot extension kit to extend that cutting capacity up to a full 8 feet with dead straight table saw accuracy. Unlike typical straight edge saw guides, your saw rides on top of the patent pending Trac rail system, not next to it. So it won't ruin your cut or cause a dangerous kickback by drifting offline, because the control is in the system, not your wrist. The rail rests on 2 non-slip polyvinyl edges that hold it in position while you make your cut with no clamps required. To align the rail, just draw a location mark at each end of your cut, position the non-slip polyvinyl track edge at your 2 marks, and make your cut. The edge of this strip will always show you exactly where your cut will be, so you'll never again have to factor in your blade's offset to compute the position of each cut. Talk about simple.